A Quine is a computer program that outputs its own source code when ran. The TI-83 Plus allows users to enter assembly programs directly onto the calculator. These hexadecimal digits define the machine code that the microprocessor will run. Now, here's a Quine written in TI calculator assembly. When run, it prints exactly its source code. Here's a self-modifying version. The original source code has a 1 in this position, but it outputs a version of its code that has a 2 here. If we run this version with the 2, it outputs a version with a 3, and so on. Finally, here's a version that prints the whole ASM program in addition to its hex code. Try as I might, I could not find the original paper where I designed this program during a high school math class. This paper I used to reverse engineer the code ended up being an accurate recreation though.